巻きだ。まずいぞ、ゆうちゃん、これ。シールド、シールド。シールド、シールド。シールド。やばいやばい。やばいやばい、こっちだ。
ゴミがまき散らされています。あ、雷だ。わ、ね。よかった。
どうした？
Authorities in many areas of central and eastern Japan have issued evacuation advisories. They say people there should make their way quickly to safe places. In Chiba Prefecture, police say powerful winds have extensively damaged some homes. They say a child was among a few people who sustained non-serious injuries. The storm has also knocked out power to about 10,000 homes across Chiba and Ibaraki prefectures and Tokyo. Hagibis could be on par with the typhoon that killed more than 1,200 people in the Kanto and Izu regions in 1958. The agency has issued an emergency warning for landslides in Tokyo and Izu, Shizuoka Prefecture. It's forecasting torrential